All right, so we did an exit ticket today in science class, and a lot of people missed a lot of things, so I thought I'd make a video and send it home. First of all, we have the definition of convection current. It's the flow of liquid or gas due to a difference in density. Here we have Imagine Land. Okay, so this is a map. This is a river basin. This is the city of Coolville, and this is the Swift River. So somewhere, it's not shown, but there's a river that runs through here called the Swift River. And every time it rains near Coolville, that water runs into the Swift River and out to wherever the Swift River goes. Okay, so this is a river basin. Any water that rains on this land, if it doesn't seep into the ground, if it doesn't evaporate, it's going to flow into the Swift River, and then it's going to follow the Swift River out to wherever. Okay, so that's what a river basin is. And remember, another name for river basin is watershed. They're the same thing. All right, here we have a nice diagram. Down here we have impermeable rock layer. Impermeable. M means not. Permeable means you can pass through. So impermeable means not permeable. Water cannot pass through this rock. Here we have permeable rock layer. This rock layer has some water in it. This layer does not. Okay, so this person here has dug a well all the way down to where the water is, and so they can pump water out of that. Okay, this is an aquifer. A rock layer underground that contains water is an aquifer. Okay, now this line up here, okay, that is the water table. That is the top of the saturated rock layer. Okay. Now, there's a couple of things that can affect that. Percolation. Percolation is another word for infiltration. So it rains and the water puddles up on the ground, and then it slowly seeps or infiltrates or percolates all the way down to the zone of saturation and becomes part of the aquifer. So if you have more percolation, is that going to make the water table go up or down? If you have more rainfall, is that going to make the water table go up or down? Okay, more rain usually means more percolation or more infiltration. So is that going to make the water table go up or down? The drought, if you have a drought, is the water table going to go up or down? More human use. So 50 more people come and build houses up here. They all dig wells down to the aquifer. So is that going to, and they all start pumping water out, is that going to make the water table go up or go down? Restrictions on water use, all right? So we start running out of groundwater, so the city says, hey, you guys, you can only water your yard on Sundays. That's it, once a week. That's the only time you can water your yard. And no filling up swimming pools. So they've put restrictions in place. Is that going to make the water level go up or go down? Okay, so this is the water table. These are some of the things that can affect it. You need to think about whether they're going to make the water table go up or go down. All right, here again, some vocabulary. Watershed and river basin are the same thing. Percolation and infiltration are the same thing. All right, here we have a beaker that contains ocean water. Ocean water is 3.5% salt and 96.5% H2O. Okay, we have 100 milliliters. Now, some evaporation occurs, and so now, I don't know, maybe we have 70 milliliters of water. Okay, now the salt doesn't evaporate. So you have the same amount of salt here that you have here. Now, is this going to taste more or less salty since there's less water but the same amount of salt? Now, let's take the same beaker. Let's say there's some rainfall. Okay, so we're adding water. So now maybe we have 120 milliliters of water but the same amount of salt from one beaker to the next. Is this going to taste more or less salty? All right, hope this helps. I'll probably do more, but maybe with a little less technology or a little more technology and a little less shaky cam work. All right, have a good day. Don't forget to study.